Hello, welcome back to my channel Cindy's Primary Math. In this video, we are going to learn about line symmetry, also known as reflection symmetry. Those who are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get my future videos. There are many kinds of symmetry. In this video, we will be focusing at the basic type of symmetry, line symmetry. A shape or figure has symmetry if it can be divided into two identical halves. In a symmetrical shape, one half is the mirror image of the other half. Here, my pet dog Joey has his face perfectly made symmetrical. It is easy to see because one half is the reflection of the other half. Look at the images of butterflies and beetlebug. The images which can be divided into identical halves are called symmetrical. Not all shapes have symmetry. If a shape is not symmetrical, it is called asymmetric. They do not resemble each other when divided into two parts. Many letters are symmetric. The reflection in this lake also has symmetry. We say that a figure is symmetrical with respect to a line when each point on one side of that line has another point on the other side and at the same distance from that line. Reflection symmetry is sometimes called mirror symmetry, mirror image symmetry, linear symmetry, bilateral symmetry. Basically, it is symmetry with respect to reflection. Activity: making symmetric figures. Rorschach designs. Take a piece of paper, fold it in half, creasing along the fold. Fold it once again. Now open it back up. Put paint blobs on 1/4 side of the paper. Fold paper back over and press the halves together. Open up to see your Rorschach design. Is the resulting figure symmetrical with respect to the crease? Yes, symmetric. Observe it along the other crease. It is also symmetric. If we could fold a picture in half such that the left and right halves match exactly, then the picture is said to have line symmetry. We can see that the two halves are mirror images of each other. If we place a mirror on the fold, then the image of one side of the picture will fall exactly on the other side of the picture. When it happens, the fall, which is the mirror line, is a line of symmetry for the picture. Have you noticed the leaves of Touch Me Not plant? Falls in equal halves. There can also be symmetry in one object, such as a face. If you draw a line of symmetry down the center of your face, you can see that the left side is the mirror image of the right side. Look at the seagull and airplane. They are symmetric. Symmetry can be defined for both regular and irregular shapes. Look at the shapes. Can you separate them into symmetrical and asymmetrical? Hope you are now familiar with reflection symmetry. I know you are interested to learn more about symmetry to make your concepts clear. Sure, I will be back with another interesting video on symmetry. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video. See you in the next time. Till then, bye.